Okay. Do not panic. Do not panic. I panicked. That was the worst morning of my entire life. And it started with one sound. My alarm went off at 7. I know it did. But somehow it was already 8:15. 7 to 8:15 is not a nap. That is a life decision. My name is Ronnie. And I woke up very, very late today. I had exactly 5 minutes to get ready. 5. I ran to the bathroom. Cold water. Ice cold. Too fast. Way too fast. Back to the room. Get dressed. Fast. I grabbed the first shirt I could find. It was inside out. I noticed. I did not care. Jeans. Blazer. My hair was doing something. I chose not to investigate. Bag. Where is my bag? Four minutes gone. 1 left. Okay, move. Ronnie, what happened to you? Mom. Late. No time. Going. Did you eat anything? No time. Absolutely 0 time. Ronnie? Take this. I was already out the door. Bread in hand. Hair everywhere. I ran as fast as I could. Which was not very fast, honestly. I could see the bus stop. I was gonna make it. I was not gonna make it. I watched it leave. The whole thing. Every inch. I missed the bus. Next one is in 20 minutes. 20 minutes. I sat down. Or maybe I fell down. It felt the same. 8:30 in the morning. Everything already wrong. My shirt was inside out. I had not eaten breakfast. I had missed the bus, and my phone was at 9%. 9%. That is not a number. That is a warning. I thought, this is it. This is how bad days begin. And then they stay bad. All day. Because of a shirt. Every small thing felt huge. Every mistake felt permanent. Hey, are you okay? You look stressed. Lily. I woke up late, missed the bus, Shirt inside out. 9% battery. Oh no. Are you safe though? I am fine. I am just a lot right now. Ronnie, sit down. I am already sitting, Lily. Good. Now breathe. I did not want to breathe. I wanted to keep being upset. But I breathed anyway. One breath, then another. Then one more, and something happened. It did not fix the shirt. It did not bring the bus back, but I felt a little less like everything was ending. I took out my phone. 9%. Okay. Low power mode. Small problem, small fix. That felt okay. Then I fixed my shirt. Nice shirt. She said nice shirt. I think she was being kind. Then I ate the bread. It was just plain bread. But it was warm. And it was from my mom. And that was enough. I decided not to replay everything that had gone wrong. I decided to just sit. And wait. And be okay with that. That is when I figured it out. I was not late because I was a bad person. I was not having a terrible day because I deserved it. I was just having a rough morning. That is all it was. The next bus came. I got on. I found a seat. I messaged my coworker, Jay. Hey, Jay. Running a bit late. Sorry about that. He said, "No problem, Ronnie. Take your time." I read that 3 times. "22 minutes late." I walked in. "Morning, Ronnie." That was it. Just, "Morning, Ronnie." I sat down at my desk. I took one more breath. Not a great start. Not a smooth start, but I started. A bad start does not mean a bad day. I know that now. So, what do you do when your morning goes completely wrong? Tell me. I actually want to know.